Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains what the Clearful app is and how it's positioned. Clearful is a digital journaling and diary app designed to help users record personal reflections, organize thoughts, and track personal growth over time. According to the official App Store descriptions, the app allows users to write journal entries and capture life experiences using text and photos within a private journal space. The same official descriptions explain that users can format entries with different text styles such as lists, quotes, and headings to organize ideas more clearly. This video is an informational overview based on publicly available descriptions. It does not guarantee app performance or user satisfaction, which can vary based on individual experience and updates. Information from the official listing indicates that the platform includes guided journaling prompts and templates that encourage reflection on topics like emotions, goals, relationships, and personal development. The app may also include reminders and streak tracking features designed to help users maintain a consistent journaling habit. According to the official description, users can revisit past entries using features that highlight memories and help identify patterns in thoughts or experiences over time. The platform also emphasizes privacy by offering security tools such as encryption, biometric unlock, and entry locks to keep journal content protected. The developers describe Clearful as a journaling companion intended to support mindfulness, self-reflection, and mental well-being through regular writing. This app may be useful for users who want a private space to write about daily experiences and track personal growth. For people interested in guided journaling apps focused on mindfulness and reflection, this could be one possible option. Whether this app is worth using depends on individual needs and preferences. If you found this video helpful, feel free to drop a like. And comment down below if you have any additional information on this app or notice anything missing or outdated.